Once upon a time, in the Wild West, two very treacherous beasts formed a horrific partnership of terror. One was a huge monster known as Frankenstein. And the other was a wild and savage gigantic beast known as Bigfoot. Bigfoot was around 10 feet in height, while Frankenstein was 6 foot 8 inches tall. Their exact weights were unknown, but they were rumored to both weigh between 600 and 800 pounds. The formidable pair terrorized the Wild West. They devastated entire Indian villages. And sometimes they would attack wagon trains. Murder was their #1 activity. Everyone just wanted to live a nice and peaceful life, but because of these two beasts of nature, their lives were a living nightmare. All Frankenstein wanted to do was to be accepted into society.
Friend, good.
But society deemed him a monster. Society also rejected Bigfoot. Everyone that laid eyes on either of them either screamed or fainted. Because of this, they both were full of anger, hate, and absolute uncontrollable rage. Their rage was so uncontrollable that at times they would simultaneously rip trees right out of the ground, while making all kinds of hideous grunts and growling noises. Sometimes the pair would sneak into town in the middle of the night and maul or dismember the citizens. They would at times even pull their arms and legs right out of the socket. They both enjoyed watching fountains of blood squirt out of where a man's limb once existed. Various cowboys and wild Indians would attempt to fight them, but nobody was ever able to defeat the pair. It was a horrible situation.